welcome back. In this lesson, I will be explaining the structure of a React app. This will help you understand how a React app works, and it will help you organize your code as we progress further into this course. In the previous lesson, we created a React app which uses JavaScript. In this lesson, and the remainder of this course, we will be creating applications which use TypeScript. TypeScript is a strongly typed programming language that builds on JavaScript. React with TypeScript offers faster performance than JavaScript because of its type system. TypeScript has static typing that helps the compiler make sure that the code is correct. React with TypeScript also has its own virtual DOM, which produces a very fast user interface. To create a React app with TypeScript support, we need to use the following command. npx create React app, and then you name your app. Then you choose a template. In this case, we're going to choose TypeScript as our React app template. Now that the app is created, let's open it in VS Code. You can see that our application has 3 folders: Node modules, public, and SRC. The Node modules folder is a directory that contains all the dependencies that the project uses. These dependencies are third-party libraries and modules. The public folder is a directory that contains static assets, such as HTML files, images, and other files that are not processed by build tool. The main file in the public folder is index.html, which is the entry point of the React application. This file contains a div element with an ID root that is used by the React code to render the application. The SRC folder is a directory that contains the source code of the React application. This is where you write the code that defines the functionality, layout, and behavior of the application. The SRC folder contains several files. The main files in the SRC folder are index.tsx. This file is the entry point of the React application. It renders the root component of the application to the DOM. As you can see, the root component is called app. The second important file is app.tsx. This file is the main component of the application. It contains the layout and the structure of the application, as well as the logic that defines its behavior. This file is particularly important since React apps are single-page apps, which means their initial HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files are loaded once, and then the content is dynamically updated according to user interactions, without needing to reload the page. The app component is the root of the application's component tree, as you will see in the coming lessons. Other files that you may consider important are the app CSS. This file contains the styles for the app component, and the index.css. This file contains the global styles for the application. Now that you have a clear understanding of the structure of React applications, you are ready to start building your own applications. In the next lesson, you will learn how to create your first component. See you then!